guys, my is like it is my baggage is take to direct Delhi, Dubai to Delhi. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And passport. Guys, my luggage have been tagged till Delhi directly from this to, I would say, from directly Incheon airport to directly Delhi. I did not to book any Marva service, so I am rightly at airport. So I have showed you this is my only hand baggage and I have a check on. So it have been tagged till Delhi. So I'll show you the boarding passes. So guys, the luggage have been scanned and I have been like moving to gate number 45. So my luggage is directly. Guys, I have crossed the immigration. There is nothing chaos at the, no much verification, nothing as usual. What is happening? So I'm going towards the gates. All is as usual. Till now it is very smooth. Stay tuned for more. So guys, we are boarding. So no hard and fast till now. We have just boarded safely from. So here's it's 11:50 departure. Stay tuned for more. Hi guys, so I have landed Dubai safely. There was no hustle from Seoul to Dubai till now, but when you reach Dubai it is a bit confusing between the terminals first of all, and then second is Marhaba service. And I would recommend everybody to please don't book Vande Mataram flights or Air India Express flights. Just book regular Air India flights, or you can even have a direct flights to Delhi of Emirates now, because your luggage will be tagged directly to Delhi if you have a Air India flight, regular Air India flight, not Express or Vande Mataram flight. So when you reach the Marhaba counter, you have to go B18 gate, then you have to go down, do the security check again. Then you will find the meet and greet center. Then you have to show your confirmation which you have got. Then they will give you a boarding some slip. Then you have to go to terminal 2, and you can depart at terminal before 5 hours or 6 hours whenever you want. So stay tuned, we'll be catching you soon again. Hi guys, so I am at terminal 2. I have transferred from terminal terminal 3 to terminal 2. So here is you will find this counter, the connection desk. You have to give your last boarding pass, and they will give you the other boarding of your onward journey boarding pass. So from here you are requested to come only 4 to 5 hours before the flight, not more than that. Thank you. Guys, I'm boarding. This is my boarding pass to Delhi. So I'm boarding up now. There is the gate. So there is this gate you have to go. So here is the gate number. So here you go for Air India. Hello guys, now I'm boarding to Delhi. It's gate F7. It's AI1932. You can have a look. There is no, you have to make yourself secure. It's no social distancing, nothing is here. See the crowd. So you have to take care of yourself after every time. So stay tuned. I'll be like, now I'm boarding to Delhi. This flight is having a transit at Amritsar. So I'll be reaching like Amritsar like 6 o'clock, and there is a transit. So even from Amritsar I can't get off. So soon I'll be uploading a video. Please stay tuned, and I'll be sharing you my experience, what I have all done from the travel from Seoul to Delhi. Stay tuned. Guys, please do not overload your hand luggage, because it is being checked and verified by the Air India during your boarding. It is done here before your boarding, so please don't do the oversizing, please, and don't overweight the. Thank you. So hi friends, I have boarded for like Air India AI1932 to New Delhi. It's via Amritsar. So the flight is fully packed, as you can see, and it's like itching because of sweating. So full pack. Flight is full packed. Full pack. So I update you when I'll return. So stay tuned more. So guys, this is the Air India meal. So this is a non-veg meal. I think this is chicken tikka, this is a roll, and this is a puff, and this is a sandwich, and it's a water bottle, and the dessert is there. Hope to avoid the food in the flight, please. So guys, this is a self-reporting form here at Delhi. two things. One is exemption is this side and the self-reporting is this side. So you have to come from this row if you are coming for self-exemption. So guys, after exemption, everybody is saying they will stamp your hand. They are not stamping the hand, they are stamping your boarding pass. So see, they have stamped my boarding pass here, ordered by RPTCR testing negative, self-healing. They didn't ask me any something like report and all. What you upload at online, that is confirmed. They will not ask anything hard copy in person. They will stamp and you can leave for home. They're not stamping any hands. See, no hands, no hand stamping. Thank you.